At Tamira, we look beyond kilos. We reshape how you feel. Losing weight without addressing your skin, muscles, and metabolism can leave you feeling unfinished. That's why we blend medical weight loss with aesthetic precision. Crash diets shrink numbers, not fat cells. At Tamira, we target the cause: hormonal balance, gut health, and body composition. Fat loss without loose skin, that's the Tamira difference. Our aesthetic protocols tighten, tone, and redefine your natural shape. She didn't just lose 8 kilos, she found herself again. When your health and confidence align, that's true beauty. Every plan at Tamira is personalized, guided by medical science, nutrition, and aesthetic insight. Ready for your transformation? Let's redefine your beauty from inside out.